So what we got today on what Cole McIntyre wants to buy next is this big fucking International. Look at the fucking thick boy here. Jesus. Well, we got the starter to engage, but then it stopped. So we're trying to see if the motor's seized. We're hoping it's not. I mean, it's been sitting for 30, 40 years, but still oil, so we're really hoping it's not seized, but it might be. So we're seeing if we can turn the motor over now. Alright, well, we put a pipe wrench on the main crank pulley and she turns, so she's not seized, so she's a little stiff at first. We loosened her up. We're going to try that starter again. It's turning, barely, but it's turning. Oh.
Oh, fuck!
She's smoking. That's a good sign.
Yeah? Okay, let's keep going, I guess.
Oh!
Ah!
Yo! Go on, let's go!
Oh.
Yeah, boy!
Oh.
Yeah, well, you know what? That's all that's getting her going at the moment.
Okay.
That's all she's firing off of right now.
Ether?
Oh, yeah.
You got any WD?
No.
You gotta spray some on there, eh?
WD and ether down, and then she's got some lubricant, so I should run.
I don't think it's picking the fuel up, though.
You got it running to the can?
Yeah, it's in the can. That's what I'm saying. I don't know. That solenoid might be fucking us for that the fuel.
Take the wire off.
That was.
That
She's kicking. She's kicking. One more time. For all the money.
Fucking starter!
You know what? I'm gonna reach down and give it throttle when it does that. Just don't want to sit in the cab and fucking give her throttle.
I just dial her with your hand or what? Hand drop.
Starter.
Should I just hold the fuel head over?
Oh, I got the screwdriver!
Fuck right. Probably the best idea.
You got your TV car to snuff her out?
Right there, boy.
Well, you're good to go.
Yeah. Just gonna fucking give her
She's
all.
not a Detroit. She's not gonna run.
What?
Away?
She's not a Detroit. She's not gonna run away.
See the video they're doing?
Oh,
I don't know if she's getting fuel, seriously though.
You're shaking rust off her, I'll tell you that.
That was good. Clear her out, you know?
It smells a little fuely.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell like just ether.
It'd be nice though if someone could get in there and just hold her to the floor while I'm spraying.
We'll do it.
I'll do it! Right on her!
She's a stiff pedal and she don't go very far, but she works.
He likes the stiff pedal. Okay.
I do.
He likes
Fuck,
it
have
stiff.
you pushed down my clutch pedal in my truck?
Well, she just.
You want to talk? You can't sit at a light with your foot on the clutch. You gotta take her out of gear.
She's not bad?
Yeah. Well, I'm got used to it now.
Cole's
But
just
at
a
first,
vagina.
my fucking leg would shake.
Okay, ready?
It's
Yeah.
just like,
Oh yeah, it's not much.
God. Get the calves working. Fuck! Everybody assume your position.
It's not like you, but if it is, it's hard.
Huh? Ready?
Yeah. Just keep going.
Let's do that again. I didn't get a video.
She's a runaway.
Yeah, she's full of fuel. His access on how Dinah died?
Yeah, just on
Well, we'll send her back on.
Let's do that again.
Well, he had the throttle wide open too.
Holding her wide?
Oh yeah.
Well, let's see if she'll lie to How to get her home?
Oh, she's a runaway.
You got the board ready too?
I got the board ready.
Okay. Let's roll this bitch over.
She's a smoker.
Oh yeah.
She was just singing. Pull the board off.
Pull the board off.
Oh.
I wanted to see if it would fire back up.
Well, he pulled.